and Natalie Gaukazian.
Hi everyone. It was once said that time is the most democratic resource. We all have 24 hours a day, yet not all of us spend it equally. People lose their precious time in queues, and it is said that according to behavioral studies, an average person spends up to 6 months of their lives waiting in queues. It's a time we never get back. For businesses, this means lost loyalty, operational chaos, and frustrated staff. Early One was created with with a simple yet powerful mission to give. Oh, sorry. I have a problem with this. Sorry. How it goes back. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Early One was created with a simple yet powerful mission to give people their time back and help organizations deliver faster, smarter, and more human service. Everything started from research and experimentation in customer experience management. We have studied customer behavior in public service environments, how they perceive waiting time, and why queues arise. We found out that the most irritating part is not just physical queues, but uncertainty. People hate not knowing when they will be served. uh, when will be served. And it's not the time itself that irritates, but the lack of control, the invisible gap between expectation and reality. When you don't know whether you will be served in 5 minutes or 40 minutes, every minute feels longer. And this insight changed everything. We realized that eliminating queues is not only about moving people faster, but about giving them clarity, predictability, and peace of mind. That's why we built a predictive algorithm that calculates the optimal time when the people can get served without waiting. So they can book, arrive, and get served without wasting their times in queues. But uncertainty is not only problem behind this. We found out that the main reason why queues arise is inefficient staff work. When employees are overloaded or are idle or serve slowly that it was expected. And we found out that even small inefficiencies in this process can slow down the whole service chain. So what we do, we created a performance management dashboard that helps organizations to constantly track, monitor their service process, and make data-driven decisions regarding staff allocation and stuff like that in real time. Early One is not just an ordinary queue management solution. It's a customer flow management platform combining data analytics, predictions, and mobile engagement to transform the whole customer journey. Our core innovation lies in a mobile app algorithm, which, as I already mentioned, calculates the time when you can get served without waiting. It constantly adapts to the real-time data, like a branch load at the moment, customer behavior, employee performance, to ensure that every visit is as predictable and as seamless as possible. For our mobile users, Early One is an application which they use on a daily basis to book their visits to banks, clinics, government institution, etc. For businesses, Early One is a comprehensive management dashboard where their daily tool which they use to track what's going on in the branches. It gives a full picture into what is happening across every location. So managers can track how many people are waiting in queues, how employees are performing, what is the branch load, and spot the possible bottlenecks that can arise in this process. Now Early One operates in 10 countries, including Armenia, Moldova, Belarus, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Great Britain, Tajikistan, etc. In Armenia, we are a market leader covering 98% of banking sector. Major government and healthcare institutions cooperate with us. In Moldova, we are already on the market for 3 years, and we are help to power customer experience in major banks like MAIB, Fincombank, Moldinkombank, Eurocredit Bank, telecom companies like Orange and Moltelecom, and government offices like National Agency for Transportation and so on. Results. Partners that use our solution achieve the following results. First of all, it's a reduction of employee downtime. Second, it's a decreasing of waiting time. And one remarkable statistics is that the customers who book their visits to bank through our mobile application wait less than 3 minutes. And it's a remarkable result for organizations. And as a result of all these improvements, customer satisfaction grows, and by 30% in some places. The next chapter for Early One is about seamless experience and deeper analytics. So we are integrating face recognition systems to make a customer journey seamless and effortless. It's about a system which recognizes the customer at the entrance, retrieves his booking, and guides to the right person who can serve him without a single tap. So you don't need to touch a terminal, a printing kiosk, etc., etc. It is done all by technology. We are also expanding, we are also working on implementing AI component to our data analytics tools to make sure that our customers can get the most of the raw operational data and make more data-backed decisions in their daily operations. We are also we are already doing, we want to connect, we are expanding our feedback solution to unite, to make it omni-channel, to unite digital experiences, on-site experiences, and mobile experiences into one place. So businesses can can listen to their customers no matter where they are, visited the branch, get their service via mobile banking apps or through website. We all this unite, all this feedback in one place. At Early One, we believe that technology should work for people, not instead of it. Early One is built to make service more human, and through empowering teams, through empowering organizations, simplifying lives of ordinary people, and giving them back what matters most, their time. And we are open for collaboration of any type, and I invite you to join us in our mission. And let's build a world where time is respected, service is human, and technology works for people. Thank you.
Thank you, Natalie.